So you might be in a situation where for some reason your photos are just not loading on your Android phone. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The number one reason why this may end up happening for the most part is because your particular photos are just either loaded through Google Photos and they're not loading because you don't have any internet. So if you're using the Google Photos application right within here, and if for some reason some of these photos are not loading, it could be mostly because of your particular photos, again, not being connected to the internet. So try connecting to the internet, double check your internet connection, and double check your Wi-Fi connection, all that stuff, and that's the very first thing I recommend doing. Now, if you're using the stock gallery application that's built within a lot of phones, another reason why some of your photos may not be loading is you may because you are having some storage problems. So this can happen for some reasons as well. So what you're going to want to do here is you want to make your way over into your settings application once more. So to swipe down right into here, you want to find your storage option, so wherever storage is for your particular device, and you want to go ahead and double check your storage. If you're like almost running out of storage, that can also cause some issues as well. And sometimes all you're really going to have to do is clear out some storage, clear out some things, and that's another way you can fix this problem as well. Now, if you do that and that's not working, another thing you may want to try doing is updating your Android phone. So make your way over to your software update panel, click on download and install the latest update available for your phone as well. And that's another thing you can do to end up fixing this problem too. If that's still not working, another thing you may want to try doing is restarting your phone. So simply just restart your device. That could probably end up fixing it too. Now, if it's still not working, you may just want to double check that application that you're using. So if you're using Gallery, you may just want to switch over to a different Photos app like Google Photos. If you're using Photos, you use a different app. That may end up fixing it. Maybe there's a problem with that app, and you may have to update that application in order to fix the problem. So those are some ways to go and fix that problem. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.